Okay. I'm gonna see whether it works. Highlighter. Okay. And then I'm gonna use it as a contour. Wow. So just blend downwards, and the highlighter blend properly. So this is done. Can you see the shadow? A bit will do, you don't need to put too much. Okay, if not you look wayang. Ta-da! So, can you see my face is sharper now? Okay, then I'm gonna use, then after that, I'm gonna use this one as a makeup stick. Just one color will do. So cute. Oh, it's really very shimmery, guys. I like it. I like it. Wow. It is very shimmery and quite creamy, but it's not so oily. Okay, I'll tell you if it lasts the whole day for me. And then you can put a little bit here. As a highlighter. Don't put too much. Okay, so that you don't look like you're crying. Ujima. Okay, so interesting. This is quite cool. And then the last part, right? You can use the last part, right? The metallic brown as the corner of the eye area, like this. So if you're very bad at brushes, right, this is so good for you. Okay, if you put overboard, right, just use a cotton pad, cotton bud. And wipe it. Ta-da! This is so versatile, guys. I really recommend you to get this. They have 4 colors inside. Okay, the dark one. This is from Korea. I really like Korean way of, you know, I even use this one for contouring just now. If you all just miss it, I'm going to repost this video, don't worry about it, so that you all can watch. And this one can use it as a highlighter. Okay, you can see my highlighter. Interesting, right? And then this one can be used as makeup. This is generally very good for those who are very basic and do not know how to do your makeup. You can use this one. It's very, very basic. All right, so I'm not going to put my any like eyeshadow. I'm just going to leave it like this. And today I want to try this Isoi lip balm. Okay, it's a lip treatment balm. Basically, you don't get a lot of dead cells on the lips after you use this one. You can use it at night, so if you want to. And it will plump up your lips as well. Let's try. Oh, this is the latest pink lips, right? There's a lot of Korean stars are into it right now. And it's very moisturizing. So cute. You can buy this as a gift for your girlfriend. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a bit of powder and I'm done. I can go down and do my work. Okay, this is very good. A quick 5 minutes makeup, right? For those who don't know how to put on makeup. And then I'm gonna put my powder. Okay,